In this video, we will show you how to set up and use your new set of Approach CT1 club tracking tags. For this setup, you will need a compatible Garmin device, your golf clubs, and the Approach CT1 package. This includes 16 club tracking tags and the installation tool. Let's begin by installing the Approach CT1 tags on our golf clubs. Each CT1 tag has the club type labeled on the underside of the housing. Now insert the tag into the installation tool. Then insert the tag into the grip hole on your club. While holding the grip, tighten the tag to the grip. Complete this process for all of your clubs. Finally, remove the installation tool from the Approach CT1. Now let's go over installing the Approach CT1 Super Stroke Edition tag on your Super Stroke putter grip. You will need your golf putter with an installed Super Stroke grip, the Approach CT1 Super Stroke Edition tag, and a 4mm hex wrench. Using the 4mm hex wrench, remove the screw cap on the end of the Super Stroke grip. Next, unscrew the lower housing from the Approach CT1 Super Stroke Edition tag. Then insert the screw cap into the housing and place it back into the Super Stroke grip. Use the hex wrench to tighten the housing to the putter's grip. Ensure the edges of the housing are aligned with the top of your Super Stroke grip. Screw the Approach CT1 Super Stroke Edition tag onto the housing. Ensure the tag is fully tightened onto the end of the grip. There is a small notch in the housing that will line up with a notch on the tag when it is fully tightened. Next, we will need to enable club sensors from the settings menu of your compatible device. We will use the Approach S50 Golf Watch, but the process is similar on other devices. For guidance, see club tracking in your owner's manual. To begin, press the Action or Start/Stop button on the upper right. Select Play Golf. Then wait for your watch to acquire a GPS signal. Select your golf course. Then complete the round setup. Select Keep Score at the start of each round to track club distance stats. Now press the top or Start/Stop button. Scroll down and select Settings. In the golf settings screen, select Club Tracking. Select your Approach CT1 from the list. By default, the status will be off. Select the status to turn it on. Press the back button until you return to the golf round screen. You are now ready to tee off. The Approach CT1 Golf Tag allows you to simply tap the tag to the device screen before each swing. This will change the club type on the top of the screen. Finally, we'll show you how to customize the name of your clubs and how to manage your Approach CT1 tag to reflect the club types you prefer. From the Golf app, select Profile, then select My Bag. Here, you can add, edit, delete, or mark a club inactive. For this video, we will rename our driver to Big Slick. Pro tip, you can tap the club name to edit details about your club, including the shaft flex and shaft length. Now, select Save. Then, sync your compatible Garmin Golf Watch with the Garmin Golf app. The updated golf club list will appear on your golf watch. To change the Approach CT1 tag, press and hold the Action button. Select Settings, followed by Accessories. Then select Club Tracking. Select the Approach CT1. Then select Manage Tags. Now, scan the tag you want to manage. The watch will display the tag name. Select the pencil icon to edit the name. You will then see a list of the clubs that synced over from the Garmin Golf app. Select the club you wish to set the tag to. If the name is already tied to another tag, you'll need to confirm the name change for the new tag. Then select the check mark. And that's it.